What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here at the Raiders Field at Oxford Circle, and I have this ultralight out here. This is the LDA-RC 200 GT ultralight, and it has these little 1806 motors on it, and I actually have these 4-inch props on it. So I just got the idea to try this thing with some 4-inch props, because I was flying this with some Ferry B 5048s the last flight, and the motor seemed to get a little warm. And so I just imagine that if you're doing some FPV and some heavy hard flying, then the motors will probably come out hot using those props there. That's the problem with these ultralights here. You have to be very careful with the pitch on the prop that you're using with them if you're using 5-inch props. And I just thought that maybe easing up on it a little as far as the length with these 4-inch props, but still being heavy on the pitch. These are 4052s, the Gemfan Flash 4052s. We're gonna do some line of sight, and I'm gonna do a bunch of punch outs and all. Maybe have some fun with line of sight acro with these 4-inch props on it. See how it comes down, if it comes down hot or not. Let's see if we can take off from the grass. Okay, so let's try punch out again. Whoa, kissed the ground there. So as you guys can see, it's flying really nice with these 4-inch props. Let's try a punch out. And the punch out is really nice. Bring it down. And I have it on angle mode now. And look how steady it is and how level it is. So definitely not causing any vibrations or anything. I guess we can check the DVR footage to see if there's really any vibrations or anything when we're punching out and all. And doing fast flight. These mosquitoes are tearing me up out here too. I'm gonna try to do a full pass here so you guys can see. That's a full pass there. Let's try angle mode again. Still level, check it out. Oh, thanks, bro.
Are you Frequent Flyer?
Yeah.
Yeah, I watched a YouTube video.
Yeah, that's what's up.
All videos talking.
Y'all know how to fly? Oh yeah, I remember your face.
You
I see you.
Drone.
Yeah, I gave you a drone, right?
You never made
Oh, I didn't yet? Okay.
Is that the thing that you're flying with the
No, this is a different one. Y'all ain't see this one. I mostly only bring this one out when I'm up. Yeah, the Star Wars thing. I mostly only bring this one out when I'm out in the open space, because this one is fast and everything.
You made it?
No, it comes like this.
We get it together. They go real high and stuff. Can you do it?
No, I don't want to go too far because I won't be able to see it, you know. Won't be able to control it to bring it back. Or not. Or I might lose.
The antenna ain't strong.
Well, the antennas, it'll go pretty far, but you won't be able to see it to be able to fly it, you know, control where it's going or whatnot. So I guess we just gonna fly this to see when the buzzer starts going off.
You walk over here?
No, I drove. Trying to kill a battery a little.
Like a roller coaster.
Still level. Well, it's got a little lane to it now. We're in angle mode. And it's tilting to the right a little.
What drone you gave the person?
Huh?
What kind of drone you gave the other person?
Oh, just little toy drones. Sometimes I give away to people that I see.
Thank you.
All right, bro. Y'all have a good one, man.
Come on, bro.
Hold on. All right.
I want to mess up the drone.
So it's starting to rain here. Try to do some hard flying. Okay, so we got the battery beeping. I don't know what the voltage is at. So let's bring it in. And plug it. So that's it, a quick demo flight of this 200 GT from LDARC, an ultra lightweight with these 4-inch Gemfan 40-52 props. Seems like it flies really nice with these props. I don't know if it's better fitting with these props than to fly it with the 5-inch props with a lower pitch, but this seems to work quite well. A high-pitched prop, well, 3-bladed prop anyhow, high-pitched at 4 inches. Thanks for watching.